For today's video, we're going to be going over on how to properly install rear diffuser for the C8 2020, part number BC102106. Okay, so today we'll be installing the C8 R1 rear diffuser, part 1 BC102106, and here we are currently assembling the part itself. Okay, so the installation is fairly simple. You will receive the part not assembled. Once you do, all you have to do is just assemble the fins, which you'll get 6 fins in total with the hardware necessary. And in order to install this part, essentially, you would have to actually tighten this area first. Otherwise, there won't be enough space here between fins. Okay, so this is how it should be looking so far. Once you're done with this top area, we're gonna go on the back area of the rear diffuser and attach it together with the nuts that we're missing. Okay, second one. Okay, third one. Okay, over here. After we have assembled all the fins together onto the main rear diffuser, this is how it should look with the brackets and everything installed. And now we're gonna proceed to tighten the nuts and bolts, and then we're gonna put it together and attach it to the main rear diffuser here with the CA. Okay, so this is the end result after the rear diffuser has been assembled. And as you can see here, this one has a particular finish. This is a carbon flash metallic, and we have it available in other finishes such as dry carbon, gloss carbon. And also you can customize the edges here, so it has a more aggressive look. You can customize it with different colors such as red, blue, yellow, and others. And now we're going to proceed into installing it onto the Corvette CA that's over there. Okay, so when it comes to installing and attaching the rear diffuser, so we'll be using only a few holes here. So you're actually going to have to remove the OEM hardware from this one, here, and here, and essentially the other way around too. And once you take the OEM hardware, then you can proceed to attach the actual rear diffuser, which we'll be doing right now. Okay, so when it comes to installation, it's essentially pretty simple. All you have to do is just use the hardware provided, and in the middle here, you will actually be using the existing OEM hardware. Everything else will be provided to you for the holes, as far as the holes goes. And once you have that, then it should be looking something like this. And if you want more support here, you're able to add a support rod in this side, and this side in each corner, which we'll be doing it in a little bit. Okay, so when it comes to installing the support rods here, so essentially you'll be using this hole that already comes with the rear diffuser, and it's going to be attached to this area of the OEM rear diffuser. And the only thing that you'll be needing for drilling is this area. It's just a tiny hole here. And right now we're going to proceed in doing this area as well on the other side, which once again you'll be just reusing the hole here that comes already in the part itself. As you guys can see here, over there it looks more tighter here in comparison to this area. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna lift it up a little bit, and then we're gonna be attaching this support rod in this point over here. And now we're gonna proceed to the drilling. Once you're done with drilling the hole, you're gonna be putting the little bolt here through the hole, and then using the little nut, you're gonna go behind it and start tightening that area. And you'll be doing the same thing using this hole here from the diffuser itself. And that's essentially how you install the support rod. Okay, so this is the end result of the installation. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty clean. And it has a carbon flash metallic finish. And essentially, the installation was pretty simple. All you will need is the help of a friend. And the only drilling, as repeating here again, is over here. It's just like a tiny hole here and a tiny hole here. And then that should be able to give it a nice touch and finish to the whole installation.
So just to recap, the diffuser does not require any drilling other than to attach the support rods. And as you guys see, the installation was pretty easy and roughly should take you anywhere between 20 to half an hour.
Okay, so this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and more installation videos. And essentially we'll be releasing more videos for the Corvette CA. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.